Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix iPhone screen stuck on black screen during call. So whenever you receive an incoming call on your iPhone and your iPhone screen goes to black screen completely, don't worry. Right now I'll share with you some steps. If you follow, then you will be able to solve this problem. So the first solution is you have to clean your iPhone screen and sensor. So you can use a soft tissue or soft paper, and then all you have to need is gently clean your iPhone sensor. This is your iPhone sensor. So clean your sensor and clean your iPhone display very carefully, and then check the issue. And the second solution is you have to give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So to restart your iPhone, go to your iPhone settings and tap on General, and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on Shutdown, and all you have to need restart your iPhone. And then go ahead and check the issue. And the third solution is you have to disable the reduce motion, and here's how to do it. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on accessibility, and here tap on motion, and here at the top of this page you will see this reduce motion option. So all you have to need disable reduce motion option, and then go ahead and check the issue. And another solution is you have to update your iOS version. So go to your iPhone settings and go to General section, tap on software update, and if you see any new iOS update available, all you have to need update the latest iOS version on your iPhone, and then it should fix the error. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. So if you followed all of these solutions but you're still having the same issue, then all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings app and now scroll down and tap on General, and scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and just tap on reset all settings. And once you successfully reset your iPhone, all settings are factory reset, and after that the iPhone stack on black screen during incoming call error will be fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.